Now we're ready to close the limb up. This time we did the arm. I'm going to use this beige colored upholstery thread. I could use either the dark brown or the beige with this one. And so I'm going to put about an 18-inch doubled length of thread onto my needle. I'm using my number 16 Milner's needle. And then you want to come up from the inside, take that first stitch up near the top of the arm or the leg if you're closing the leg, and come from the inside so that the knot stays on the inside of the arm. And then we're going to go across the opening, just right across from there, and go in. There we go. Go in and then come right up in that same side and pull. What we're doing here is the ladder stitch. We're going to go across the opening again, go a little bit lower from our first stitch, and go in and come up again. Alright, and then we're going to come across and do another one. And then I'm going to pinch it with my fingers a little bit and use my big needle, or you could use a regular needle. Use the eye of the needle to get all that stuffing in there, or any stuffing tool that is easy for you to use. And then I like to lay it against those stitches there to get the fabric to fold in and then pull. And you see it closes it up, and you also can't see the stitching. So I like to do a few stitches and then close, a few stitches and close. Sometimes I might need to add or shift the stuffing a little bit. Not always. So here we're going to take another few stitches. And if that stuffing seems like it's kind of leaking out, I'm going to push it right back in there. Let's see here. Yeah. Hope those fold in and pull. Do that for the whole length of that seam opening. And now we get to the end. I'm going to take one more stitch down and up. And then pull it tight again. Okay, now let's see, is that all closed up? Alrighty. Now I like to take the needle, and I have the threads coming out, in this case on the right side of the seam. I want to put my needle into the seam and come out on the left side of the seam to join them or connect the two together. And then so I'm going to pull it tight here. And now I want to snip the thread off. This is just the way I do it. And then I'm going to thread just one of those threads back onto my needle. And then I'm going to go back down into that seam again and then come out. There we go. And then come back out on the other side again, if I can see here. Here we go. Okay, so now I have a thread end on each side of the seam, and I'm going to tie a square knot right over left and then left over right, and you want to pull it tight but not so tight that you snap the threads. And then just sink the knot by putting the needle right next to the knot, threading it on and pulling it through to the other side. You don't want to cut the knot right at the knot. So we'll just poke the needle through right next to the knot, thread the thread onto the needle. There we go. Pull it, and that helps sink the knot down. And then, and now go ahead and cut the thread. And there you have it. There's your arm. It's all sewed up, it's stuffed, and you can't see the stitching on the outside where you closed it. Now go ahead and stuff the other arm, insert the joint, and do the same thing. And we'll see you in the next step.